Hello beautiful people, today we're going to be making eggplant stew. So these are going to be our ingredients. We have the eggplant, 1 onion, garlic, ginger. This is 2 tomatoes. This is 2 cups of tomato paste, and this is hot pepper. I didn't use the whole thing. I had to cut half because it's too hot. And then we're going to use mackerel, 10 fish, and mackerel, fresh mackerel, and 10 mackerel. Okay, and then of course salt, bouillon, Old Bay, and then 1 cup of oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the eggplant, and I'm going to boil it. I'm going to have it cook, and then I will blend it, and then I'll add it to the tomatoes too. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go peel this, and I'll be back. So I'm putting the eggplant in. I'm going to cover it, and it's going to boil for about 20 minutes. I'm going to blend all my ginger, garlic, and onion together. I'm putting the 1 cup of oil in, and I'm going to let it warm a little bit. The fire is on medium. Okay, so the first thing that's going to go in is our ginger, onions, and garlic, and then we're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add our tomato. So the next thing that's gonna go in is our fresh tomatoes. Okay, we're gonna put our fresh tomato in. We're gonna let it cook, and then we'll add our tomato paste after our fresh tomato cooks. Okay. Our eggplant is cooked, so we're gonna blend this in the blender. Put my tomato paste in. It's about 2 cups, and I'm gonna mix it in with the fresh tomato, and I'm gonna have them cook together for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. At this time, our tomatoes is cooked. I'm gonna add my seasoning. It's a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add chicken bouillon to it, just a little bit. The next thing that's gonna go in is Old Bay, just maybe about a teaspoon of Old Bay. I'm gonna mix it together, and then I'm going to put my fresh fish in to cook. I'm gonna add a little bit water, and I'm gonna cover it. It's about 1/4 cup of water, and then I'm gonna cover it in medium heat, and it's going to cook the fish. Back. So our fish is cooked nicely, and now we're gonna put our mackerel 10 fish in it. We're gonna stir it. And then the next thing I'm gonna put in is the blended eggplant, the one that I boiled and I blended it. I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna have it cook, because this is all cooked already, so I'm just gonna have it blend together for about 5 minutes. That's it. Yeah. See, that small eggplant made a lot of eggs, made a lot of stew. So this you could eat it with yam, you could eat it with plantain, you could eat it with potatoes, rice, whatever you want to eat it with. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes and then we'll be good. Yeah, so eggplant stew is done. It's very nice. I'm gonna eat it with yam and plantains.